Welcome to my channel once again. In this video I'm going to show you how you can split your Android phone screen. So let's get started. So for instance, if you have opened an app, let's say you've opened an app. Let me open my fast for you. Then let me close it. Let me open another app for you again. Another app, for instance, let me open a YouTube. So I've opened a YouTube too. Then I want to split the screen. This is how you're going to go about it. So you click on this button, this 4 vertical line button that you see here. You click on it, then you click on the icon, the app icon here. Click on it. So we see Apple information, open the split screen view, open the pop-up view, lock this up. So we want to split the screen, so you choose this option and you click on it. This is how it will look like. Then let's open the another app that we opened, that's a file. So you click on this app too. So you see, so you can see it by yourself. So as we have opened a YouTube, we've opened another app too on the same screen. So you can do anything I want to do. For instance, if you want to check your videos, you can check. If you want to check your document, you can check. So let's check the document. So this is the document that we have on the machine. The document. You can go back. You can check your audios too, and this place too. You can play a video if you want to. So for instance, if let's say I want to play this video. So a video is Reverend Eastwood Anaba and Prophet Sarkodie sends a message to John Mahama. If you want to play this video, you can play it at the same time using another app.
Where Christians have gathered, and he was speaking to them, and he used the opportunity to speak about the newly elected president and what he ought to do. Not only him, but also notable men of God such as Prophet Nana Poku Sarkodie have also added their voice to what is expected of the new president elected in Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, in the next coming years, and what they should know about how power is transient and everything that is regarded to it. You know, in Ghana we have had elections, and the conversation has been how the past 8 years has been very, very unlivable. What the people have gone through, so much turmoil and all those things. And so the men of God in the country have added their voice to the conversation. And let's go check out what Papa Eastwood Anaba said, and also what Prophet Nana Poku Sarkodie said to the newly elected president John Dramani Mahama. And let me know what you think, and I'll be sure to respond to you in the comments.
Now, we finished the election yesterday. I have only 2 comments to make. Those of you whose parties lose, you won't die. Tell somebody who can kill. I will say more. Then those of you whose parties,
so for instance, you want to play another video to
it doesn't mean your problems are over. Next year by this time you'll still be the same, if no worse. The only vote that gives you prosperity is when you vote for yourself. When you vote for yourself. When you vote for yourself, In other words, even if they say your party has won, it is what you do for yourself that will make that party successful. No.
Hello there. Are you a woman aged 18 to 35? Are you currently unemployed and seeking to grow a career?
So this is how you can split your screen. So if you want to remove it, you click on this button. That's if you want to move this one up and the YouTube down, you press on this icon, then you press on this arrow, so you swap it. And if you want
No. So don't sit down and say,
thank you for watching this video.